San Diego. Let's go to Mexico. Hello guys, Julian here from Just8ate.com, and today we are here in Coronado Island in San Diego, California. That's right, we don't necessarily need to go to the border to have authentic Mexican food. We can have authentic Mexican food right here in Coronado Island. And so the restaurant of choice, and recommended to us actually, was Miguel's Cocina. Miguel's Cocina authentic Mexican restaurant was established in 1982 and is known to be one of the best Mexican restaurants here in Coronado Island. And so, let's go and check it out. Tortillas.
20 minutes.
You know the tortillas are going to be the best when it's handmade like this. And that's the first thing you see when you walk into the restaurant. Nice. It looks flour, no?
No, it's corn. I don't think so. It's not sure. Maybe flour. I don't know. Wait, flour or corn tortillas?
This?
Yeah?
Corn.
Corn. See, I told you corn.
That's corn. You think it's flour?
Since we needed to have a 20-minute wait for our table, we're gonna go ahead and go outside and explore a little bit.
You know?
Did I know?
Here's a fun fact
Fun fact.
about Coronado Hotel.
Okay.
The Coronado Hotel was inspired by The Wizard of Oz.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. Interesting fact. Should we walk through here?
Yeah, it's
You're gonna buy a home in Coronado? It's just an alleyway.
$1 million home.
Just little shops and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that the same restaurant?
Yeah. It's supposed to be.
Any lime chicken.
Just got checked.
Oh yeah?
They say they're open for 5 minutes.
Okay. As we sit down, they give us a basket of these handmade tortilla chips with the queso blanco dip and signature house salsa fresca. That's right. And they're known for their margaritas. But you know what? I got to have my favorite drink of the night, and that was a mojito. I'm a sucker for a mojito, and I approve this mojito. I don't know about you, but I'm always hungry, and for sure, that night we were all hungry, and so we definitely took advantage of their menu. But check it out, man. Their menu items are generous portions. Can you see the portions? It's amazing here. They're very generous with their portions. Our brother and sister ordered the fajitas combination plate, and take a listen. It sizzles. So they both ordered the Miguel's signature fajitas combination plate, and man, we were all saying that they could have split one because their portions are so huge.
And then I ordered la combinación del jefe, which is marinated and grilled steak, chicken enchilada, and green chili cheese tamale served with guacamole.
And then I got the Surf and Turf Burrito, which is their signature San Diego Padre special because it has carne asada inside, shrimp, salsa, French fries, and wet with cheese on top, and sour cream and some guacamole, and an epic 1-pound burrito. Are you full already?
Not yet.
I'm getting full. See, check it out. I told you we were hungry, and definitely Luis was hungry because he finished all that food. I know, right? Miguel's Cocina definitely gives out generous portions. So if you're ever in the local area, and or if you're actually taking a trip to San Diego or Coronado Island, definitely check out Miguel's Cocina in San Diego, Coronado Island. And if you're ever wanting to do an event, like you want to have a quinceañera or you're going to have a mini wedding, why not do it there? Because they have an awesome baranda for you to have a mini party in the back. That being said, definitely check out their catering services because they have an amazing venue and amazing food. And so definitely check out the link in the description box below if you're actually wanting to go there yourself. And they have a Yelp and a website as well in the description box below. We're done. We're done with this place. Yeah.
Thank you.
But yet, we all enjoyed our meals for sure. There we go. What do we do after having a huge plate of food? Well, we're going to be walking on the boulevard. That's right. We're going to be checking out and walking by the Hotel Coronado. That's right. The beach villas. It's one of the amazing boardwalks, I guess you could say. It's right by the hotel and right by the ocean. It's really pretty. So I'm not going to definitely bore you with all these shots, but I'm just going to show you the highlights. Don't you want to rent this house for $1 million a night? Oh yes. Oh, it's dark, honey. I can't see you. I can only see the house.
Not me.
As we were having our evening stroll by the ocean of Hotel Coronado and walking off our food from Miguel's Cocina, we actually bumped into an awesome artist that was building sandcastles. Yeah, that's right. So take a listen for a little interview that I was able to do with Bill. Okay, so how long did it take for you to do this castle?
It took about 4 hours.
4 hours. Awesome. And you did it by yourself?
Yes.
Wow, beautiful. Is it for a wedding or?
No, but a wedding may use it, but it's not for a particular wedding.
Okay, wow. Awesome. How many years have you been doing this?
10 years.
Beautiful. So if you're planning a wedding and or a huge party at the Hotel Coronado, definitely want to hook up with the sandcastle man, Bill, so that he could create your sandcastle for the day, because it's a great Instagram photo with your friends and family, and why not have it in your wedding video? If you ever want to get in contact with Bill, definitely check out his social media and his sandcastleman.com. I will go ahead and leave the link in the description box below. So I'm not going to definitely bore you with all these shots, but I'm just going to show you the highlights. Watch my step. Holy. It's for the view, but the ocean view. Look it! Down to go, man. Let's
They're
go.
there instead of there?
And remember, friends,
Expand your mind, explore your palate, and let's keep chasing the flavor, my haters.
see you in the next video. I think it's prettier at nighttime. Going on the bridge. Oh, I see it. Pickle Park. I see Pickle Park.
You do? Where?
On the left.
Oh, I see it. Right.
Did you know that we did a cookbook? Check out our link in the description box below.
The game's still going on. It is? Oh, I can see the lights. Right.